Welcome to Chrisdom Investor, where you get timely, quality, and unbiased opinion on the stocks and investment opportunities. India is one of the countries with a large production of energy from renewable sources such as wind, solar, hydro, etc. As of 31st March 2020, 35.86% of India's installed electricity generation capacity is from renewable sources. There are many power companies that have stakes in this segment. Why renewable energy? Today there are power cuts around. Renewable energy is abundant and can be used without interruption, sustainable and cleaner energy. We can produce renewable energy at home premises as well. This video is for stock market beginners. In this video, I will present to you 23 stocks from this segment, which comprises of renewable energy generating companies, EPC companies, and selected power stocks. Please keep these stocks in your watch list and do further research to understand their respective business models. Your like to this video is valuable and which will help me to reach more audience. If you are new to my channel and looking for fresh content on stock markets, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Let us take up stock number 1. The company name is Adani Green. Adani Green Energy owns and operates power plants powered by renewable sources of energy like solar and wind. It has a market cap of 1,05,031 crores and the current market price at Rs 672. 52 weeks high and low are Rs 772 and Rs 72.2 respectively. Promoter shareholding at 74.9%. Debtor days have improved from 149 days to 106 days, which is a key positive factor. It indicates the scope for improving company cash flows as well. However, stock is trading at 134 times its book value, which is a key negative factor. Let us take up stock number 2. The company name is Sterling and Wilson Solar Ltd. Sterling and Wilson is one of the leading MEP and EPC contractor companies for power, solar energy and green buildings. Its market cap at 3,395 crores. The current market price at Rs 212. 52 weeks high and low are Rs 620 and Rs 69.7 respectively. Promoter shareholding at 77.2%. The company has reduced debt, which is a key positive factor. Promoters have pledged 48.23% of their holding, which is a key negative factor. Let us take up stock number 3. The company name is Websol Energy System Limited. It is a company promoted by West Bengal Electronics Industry Development Corporation, a government of West Bengal undertaking, SL Industries Private Limited, and Helios Technology of Italy. Websol Energy System is engaged in the business of manufacturing solar photovoltaic cells and modules. It has a market cap of 58 crores. The current market price at Rs 19. 52 weeks high and low are Rs 33 and Rs 11.5 respectively. Promoter shareholding at 25.2%. Stock is trading at 0.46 times its book value. The company has delivered poor growth of minus 11.28% over the past 5 years. Let us take up stock number 4. The company name is Orient Green Power. Orient Green Power Company Limited is a leading Indian independent renewable energy based power generation company focused on developing, owning and operating a diversified portfolio of renewable energy power plants. Market cap at 135 crores. The current price at Rs 1.8. Its 52 weeks high and low are Rs 3.57 and Rs 1.2 respectively. Promoter shareholding at 48.7%. Stock is trading at 0.26 times its book value, which is a key positive factor. Promoter holding has decreased over the last 3 years up to 22.79%, which is a negative factor. Let us take up stock number 5. The company name is Surana Solar Limited. Surana Solar Limited manufactures and sells solar panels, photovoltaic cells in India and internationally. It has a market cap of Rs 33.2 crores and the current market price at Rs 6.75. Its 52 weeks high and low are Rs 12.4 and Rs 4.95 respectively. Promoter shareholding at 69.3%. Company is virtually debt free, which is a key positive factor. Though the company is reporting repeated profits, it's not paying out a dividend. Let us take up stock number 6. The company name is Suzlon. Suzlon Energy Limited is an Indian wind turbine manufacturer based in Pune. It was formerly ranked by MAKE as the world's 5th largest wind turbine supplier. It has a market cap at Rs 2,344 crores. The current market price at Rs 2.85. Its 52 weeks high and low are Rs 6.19 and Rs 1.65 respectively. Promoter shareholding at 17.8%. Promoter shareholding is low. The company has delivered poor growth of minus 31.67% over the past 5 years. Company has low interest coverage ratio. Let us take up stock number 7. The company name is INOX Wind. INOX Wind Limited is an Indian wind energy service provider headquartered in Noida, India. The company is a subsidiary of Gujarat Fluorochemicals Limited. It has a market cap at 875 crores. The current market price at rupees 39.4. Its 52 weeks high and low are rupees 52 and rupees 16 respectively. Promoters shareholding at 75%. Stock is trading at 0.52 times its book value, which is a positive factor. Company has a low return on equity at minus 8.59% for the last 3 years. Let us take up stock number 8. The company name is NHPC Limited. NHPC Limited is an Indian hydropower generation company that incorporated in the year 1975. It operates with an objective to plan, promote and organize an integrated, efficient development of hydroelectric power in all aspects. Hydroelectric power is a part of the renewable energy resource. Its market cap at 20,191 crores. The current market price at rupees 20.1. Its 52 weeks high and low are rupees 29.1 and rupees 15.1 respectively. Promoter shareholding at 71%. Company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout at 55.35%, which is a key positive factor. It has kept a contingent liabilities of rupees 12,084 crores in its books, which seems to be a negative factor. Let us take up stock number 9. The company name is SJVN Limited. SJVN Limited is a hydroelectric power generation company. The company is the largest operational hydroelectric power generation facility in India based on installed capacity with an aggregate generation capacity of 1912 megawatt. Its market cap at 8,292 crores. The current market price at rupees 21.1. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 27.4 and rupees 17.2 respectively. Promoter shareholding at 86.8%. Company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 78.72%. which is a positive factor. The company has delivered poor growth of minus 0.86% over the past 5 years, which is a negative factor. Let us take up stock number 10. The company name is Indowind Energy Limited. Indowind Energy Limited is engaged in the business of generation and distribution of power through windmill. The company's segment include power generation, project sale and others. It develops wind farms for sale, manages the wind assets and generates green power for sale to utilities and corporates. Market cap at 25.1 crores. The current market price at rupees 2.8. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 4.6 and rupees 1.64 respectively. Promoter shareholding at 50.3%. Stock is trading at 0.13 times its book value, which is a positive factor. Company has a low return on equity at minus 2.37% for the last 3 years, which is a negative factor. Let us take up stock number 11. The company name is Karma Energy Limited. Karma Energy Limited is engaged in power generation from renewable energy sources. The company focuses on the business areas of power generation from renewable energy sources, primarily wind. Its market cap at 11 crores. The current market price at rupees 9.55. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 16.5 and rupees 7.83 respectively. Promoters shareholding at 74.7%. Stock is trading at 0.42 times its book value, which is a positive factor. Company has a low return on equity of minus 5.72% for the last 3 years, which is a negative factor. Let us take up stock number 12. The company name is Solex Energy Limited. Solex Energy is the leading manufacturer of PV module in India. Market cap at 15.8 crores. The current market price at rupees 32. Its 52 weeks high and low are rupees 35.8 and rupees 19.2 respectively. Promoters shareholding at 70.4%. Company has a good return on equity over 3 years at 28.31%, which is a positive factor. Let us take up stock number 13. The company name is JP Power. Jaiprakash Power Ventures Limited is engaged in the generation of power including hydro and thermal. Renewable energy projects are around 8% of its portfolio. Market cap at 1608 crores. The current market price at rupees 2.35. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 3.35 and rupees 0.35. Promoter shareholding at 26.1%. Company has reduced debt by 15,000 crores, which is a positive factor. Company has a low return on equity of minus 15.03% for the last 3 years, which is a negative factor. There are some rumors that JSW may join in the promoters group, which made the share to appreciate in the recent days. Let us take up stock number 14. The company name is TATA Power. TATA Power is the largest power generation company in India aimed at providing uninterrupted power supply from its various plants located across India. The core business of the company is to generate, transmit and distribute electricity. Market cap at 17,271 crores. The current market price at rupees 54. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 63.4 and rupees 27. Promoter shareholding at 37.2%. Company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 23.58%. The company has delivered poor growth of minus 2.81% over the past 5 years, which is a negative factor. Let us take up stock number 15. The company name is Reliance Infrastructure Limited. Reliance Infrastructure Limited, formerly Reliance Energy Limited and Bombay Suburban Electricity Supply. It is an Indian private sector enterprise involved in power generation, infrastructure and construction. Market cap at 575 crores. The current market price at rupees 21.8. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 49.4 and rupees 8.65 respectively. Promoter shareholding at 14.7%. Stock is trading at 0.06 times its book value, which is a positive factor. Promoter shareholding has decreased over the last 3 years by over 35.08%, which is a negative factor. Let us take up stock number 16. The company name is CESC Limited. The Calcutta Electric Supply Corporation of CESC is the Calcutta-based flagship company of the RP Sanjeev Goenka Group. Market cap at 7,800 crores. The current market price at rupees 588. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 846 and rupees 365 respectively. Promoter shareholding at 49.9%. The company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 19.22%, which is a positive factor. Earnings include an other income of rupees 1037 crores. I don't want to recommend buy, but this is one of my favorite value stock. Let us take up stock number 17. The company name is Gujarat Industries Power Company Limited. The company is engaged in the business of electric power generation utilizing coal, gas and renewable energy sources. Market cap at 1018 crores. The current market price at rupees 67.3. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 87 and rupees 42.5. Promoter shareholding at 55.7%. A dividend paying company with stock trading at 0.37 times its book value, which is a positive factor. Let us take up stock number 18. The company name is Torrent Power. Torrent Power is in electricity generation, transmission and distribution. Its current operations are in the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh. Market cap at 14,209 crores. The current market price at rupees 296. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 369 and 232 respectively. Promoter shareholding at 53.6%. The company has delivered good profit growth of 33.95% CAGR over the last 5 years, which is a positive factor. Tax rate seems low. Let us take up stock number 19. The company name is NLC India Limited. NLC India Limited is a Navaratna Government of India company in the fossil fuel mining sector in India and thermal power generation. It has some minor interests in the renewable energy segment, owing to its other business commitments. Market cap at 6,989 crores. The current market price at rupees 50.4. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 62.8 and rupees 35. Promoter shareholding at 79.2%. The company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 48.33%. Company has high debtors days of 300, which is a negative factor. Let us take up stock number 20. The company name is NTPC Limited. NTPC is taking various steps to make its energy portfolio greener by adding significant capacities of renewable energy sources. Market cap at 81,779. The current market price at rupees 82.6. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 125 and rupees 73.2 respectively. Promoter shareholding at 51%. Company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 36.9%, which is a positive factor. Here, company might be capitalizing the interest cost, which is a negative factor. Let us take up stock number 21. The company name is Adani Transmission. It is India's biggest private power transmission company with a 25% market share as of March 2020. It has also started investing in the renewable energy business. Market cap at 32,631 crores. Current market price at rupees 297. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 366 and rupees 148 respectively. Promoter shareholding at 74.9%. Stock is trading at 6.25 times its book value. Promoters have pledged 29.11% of their holding, which is a negative factor. Let us take up stock number 22. The company name is JSW Energy. JSW Energy currently has a power generation capacity of 4,559 megawatt, comprising 3,158 megawatt thermal, 1,391 megawatt hydel, and 10 megawatt of solar power plants. The company aims to reach 10,000 megawatt capacity in the next 5 years, which will be done mainly through renewables addition. Market cap at 9,635 crores. The current market price at rupees 58.6. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 80 and rupees 34.8 respectively. Promoter shareholding at 74.9%. Stock is trading at 0.83 times its book value. The company has delivered a poor growth of minus 2.41% over the past 5 years, which is a negative factor. Now let's focus on stock number 23. The company name is Adani Power. Adani Power Limited is the power business subsidiary of Indian conglomerate Adani Group. It is a private thermal power producer with a capacity of 12.45 gigawatt. It also operates a mega solar plant of 40 megawatt at Kutch, Gujarat. Market cap at 13,962 crores. The current market price at rupees 36.2. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 73.8 and rupees 23 respectively. Promoter shareholding at 75%. The company has delivered a growth of 7.21% over the past 5 years. Promoters have pledged 31.64% of their holding, which is a negative factor. Out of the above discussed companies, if we consider the companies having power generation facilities, the following is the percentage of renewable power generation out of their total generation capacity. It is found that Adani Green, NHPC Limited and SJVN Limited are the 100% renewable generation companies. The rest of the companies also trying to improve their footprint in the renewable energy segment. Adani Transmission is having the lowest capacity of renewables at 0.6% of its total assets, since its focus is on the power transmission business. Please note that these stocks are not a recommendation to buy. I will post more updates on the potential multi-baggers from the power sector soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and your investments.